My name is Jeff. I've been working on making a new channel for some time now called Jeff's Tech. My last channel I just wanted to bury because it was absolute trash, because it was very unorganized and I have no clue what I was doing. It was called Chainshaws Gaming, or Chainshaws. I actually can't even remember. I had a few good videos that did good, but they were so unorganized. Like I said, I didn't know what I was doing. Well, anyways, I'm bringing you new content about technology and tech tips to help you out. I don't know about some of you out there, but I'm sick of going through videos and not finding the right video. Even worse, I hate not even being able to ask a question directly to a publisher without being absolutely ignored. It's a struggle in each and every day, and I know there's some of you out there that feel the same way. I've decided to make a list of videos to bring out per request for my members as I grow, which means I'm going to keep track. If you message me or make comments, I will write down all the ideas, and eventually that video will come out. It's not some video that's the latest or greatest, or I'm going to listen to what you guys want. My focus will be on you, and if I can, individually communicate. I know that's unheard of in the YouTube world. Individually communicate. Some YouTubers they click on maybe 3 of the comments or members and talk to them individually, and that's about it, and they just skip the rest. If I can't get to you right away, I'll make it the most priority to be able to get to you eventually. I mean, without you, why would I even make videos anyhow? To me, YouTube is not all about going fishing and baiting everybody to click on their video or watch it or whatever. I personally like to watch videos that interest me, or maybe something I can learn. Like, I'm a guitarist too, and I like to watch videos to help me learn how to play guitar. I like to look at new video games that are coming out and see what other people are doing out there in the world. And sometimes I like to watch the news. And I know if you guys are, get bored out there and then you want to learn something, get frustrated. It's already frustrating enough with all the coronavirus stuff that's happening right now. So you're stuck in your computers or playing video games or whatever. So I want to give you, some tech tips or tools to help you out. So this is my simple, quick introduction video that I'm going to put on this channel. And if you want, you can subscribe, please help me out a little bit. It'd be appreciated. Other than that, if you want to see something, if you want to learn something, ask me. I'll see if I can put it out. If I don't know it, then I'll let you know. I'll give you some feedback.